Hey guys, welcome back to the Powershot YouTube channel. So in my last video I mentioned that my truck's been having a few electrical issues. One of them being whenever I start the truck I get an alert saying open and close driver window. Well, it's been going on for a few months and I finally decided, okay, let me take it to the dealer to have it looked at. Well, I figured why not look at it myself before I send it there. So today I pulled off the driver door panel and decided to check out a little farther. In my last video I showed you guys there was some corrosion in here, which I don't know if the GoPro can pick it up, how it's looking in there now. But I had seen in another YouTube video that someone found cracking in their harness. Well, today I decided to pull it all apart, and I don't know if you guys can see this red and blue wire is almost completely ripped in half. There's also a split in this orange wire. I'm not sure if it'll pick it up, but yeah, overall there is a few little questionable areas and two full cracks in the wires there. So I'm gonna attempt repairing that section. I don't know if it's possible. May not be because of the way the door swings. I might have to replace a section of wire, but if not, I'm probably gonna order a new driver door wiring harness. It's not all that much to replace it. I didn't film removing the door panel just because there's so many videos out there. I watched one a couple minutes ago and it just showed you where the screws were. But I can repair this and give you guys an update and see if it fixes it. So one more thing I noticed, that wire that's broken is red and blue, and sure enough, when you come down here to the window plug, it's that same wire right here. And if you check the plug, it looks slightly burnt up. The window motor prongs itself, they look okay. I don't see anything wrong with them. So maybe I'm just gonna try to repair that one wire and see what happens. Alright, so after cutting the wire close to the connector and rerunning a new wire from close to the connector all the way back into the door, the truck is fixed. I now only have one code that pops up on the dash, and that is a different steering code from when I put the truck on the dyno. I have to figure out how to get rid of that one, but I'm not sure at the moment. That one I might have to take it to the dealer for. But yeah, honestly, like, I didn't think that this truck being so new would have damaged wiring already, but I guess anything's possible. So I'll go ahead and show you what pops up now. So just steering assist reduced, drive with care. Before I was also having like times where the window wouldn't go down at all. It would just get stuck. And now it's acting perfectly fine. If you are doing this yourself, make sure you check for like any corrosion at the plug for the window motor or in the harness where it plugs into the body of the truck. Corrosion can create resistance and that'll flag messages as well. So regardless, you want all your wiring to be clean, free of corrosion and dirt. Anything like that can throw off any electrical system. But yeah, so if you guys are having any repeated issues of open and close driver window coming up on your truck, give this a shot, check your wiring.